enhance core stability and anti-lateral flexion, preventing leaning and improving overall balance.
Strengthen your core's ability to resist rotation, ensuring stability during overhead movements. Develop powerful anti-rotational core strength, crucial for spinal health and balanced movement.
Challenge your core's ability to stabilize against rotational forces, building profound strength.
Isolate and strengthen each glute, correcting power discrepancies and improving hip stability.
Target your hip abductors, crucial for stabilizing the pelvis and preventing imbalances. Activate your deep hip rotators, improving hip health and reducing lower back discomfort. Address pelvic tilt and hip imbalances, strengthening the muscles that keep you level. Build symmetrical calf strength and ankle stability, essential for balanced walking and running. Lengthen your quadriceps, improving flexibility and reducing tightness in the front of your thighs.